Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. My name is Carolyn, and today we're going to be rendering some leaf lard. Our good buddy Jason gave us some from one of the hogs they harvested, and we're going to render it down. This is leaf lard. It's one of the purest lard you can have. They use mostly on pastries and biscuits. Anything sweet that you don't want the porky taste from. The leaf lard is the purest fat. It comes from around the kidneys, and it doesn't have that porky taste. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this into little bitty pieces. Some people will grind it up. I'm just going to cut it up today. And when you're cutting it, if you have any that has little meat pieces on, you want to cut them off. But it looks like Jason's got this cleaned up pretty good. So I'm going to start cutting this up. I've got my crock pot here on low. And as I cut, I'm just going to throw it in the crock pot and I'll show you what's next. Okay, I've got it all cut up. I've got my crock pot on low. I'll come back in about 30 minutes to an hour and stir it, make sure it's not sticking. And then we'll come back in about every hour or so to see if there's any lard rendered down enough to where I can strain it off a little bit. We'll be back then. Okay, this is about an hour later. As you can see, it's starting to render down some. I'm just going to keep checking this and stirring it about every hour or so until it's rendered down. I'll be back whenever we got some more grease to strain off. Okay, here it is after several hours. The best thing probably to do is, as it renders, just strain some out. But I got busy with farm stuff and all, and didn't have a chance to get to it. I've got a cannon funnel here with a wire mesh strainer and some cheesecloth, and I've put clothespins around it to hold it down. I'm going to take and just dip this out. Try to leave some of the meat. It's not done rendering yet. Just run it through that. I can put the pieces back in there if they come out. Just keep doing that till I get it all strained out. And then I'll let this go for just a little bit longer till they get kind of crispy like, and you can use these for cracklings after you get it rendered. But we're just going to try to get all we can out of it. Okay, I'll be back whenever the rest of it's rendered down. And there you have it, some home rendered leaf lard. Like I said, you can use this in pastries, biscuits, pie crust, and you can also use it for deep frying or pan frying. Just anywhere you need a light tasting oil. And it's really easy to do. It didn't take, too awful long to do it, and it was in the crock pot, hands off, so really easy to do. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.